The Google Pixel Watch 4 is now official. It has a couple of upgrades. The new Pixel Watch looks exactly like the predecessor but offers brighter display, higher performance, and longer battery life. Google also announced the Pixel Buds 2a, a pair of budget TWA that is slightly below the Pixel Buds 2 Pro. The watch comes in two variants, 41 and 45 the display size being 1.2 and 1.4 inches. Both displays upgraded can get up to 3000 nits of brightness. They provide better outdoor legibility. The Duo gets upgraded from Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset to the Plus variant. While the upgrade is incremental on paper, the new SoC is equipped with always-on coprocessor. It's a built-in low-power 22nm coprocessor. It takes care of essential processes while the main SoC is asleep to conserve battery life. The two models come with upgraded 327 mAh and 459 mAh battery. Google expects 41 to run for 30 hours on single charge and 45 will offer 40 hours of battery life. When it comes to charging, it has a new docking station that offers side charging. You will need to place it on its side and then turn it on the alarm clock on your desk. Charging is now 25% faster. It is Gemini ready as well, meaning you can speak to Gemini by just raising the wrist. Gemini is deeply integrated in some apps on the watch and it responds to queries. Health and sports tracking features include 40 types of exercises, ECG, SpO2, breathing rates, and HRV monitoring. The bands available are Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, while the sports band come in Indigo, Lemoncello, and Iris. The active brand is made of a new material this year. The Pixel Watch 4 ships a Wear OS 6 on board, and the pricing for the 41 model starts at $349 for the non-LTE variant. The LTE variant is $400. The 45 Pixel Watch 4 starts at $399 for the non-LTE and $449 for the LTE variant. The pricing is similar in Europe. The new Pixel Buds 2a is a budget-friendly alternative to the Pixel Buds 2 Pro. It seems to offer a bunch of premium features that make it think twice before offering for the Pro version. Compared to the predecessor, it has a very significant update since the original one was launched 4 years ago. The budget pair offers active noise cancellation and omits the Pixel Buds Pro to passive silent seal noise isolation. You get a spatial audio but without the head tracking feature. The battery is going to last you around 7 hours of playback time while charging extends the time to 20 hours. The case cannot support wireless charging and the prices are €149 in Europe and $129 in US and comes in grey and iris color.